The recent Geneva conference, organized by Sikh Federation UK alongside the 61st UN Human Rights Council session, has cast an international spotlight on the Modi's government's systematic transnational repression of Sikhs abroad. Titled Countering India's Transnational Repression, Sikh Resistance and United Nations, the event brought together diaspora leading from Canada, the UK, Australia and the US and Switzerland to expose decades of intimidation, surveillance and coercion targeting Sikh activists. Since 1984 attack on Sri Harmandir Sahib and the emergence of the Khalistan movement, India has maintained a persistent pattern of harassment, including passport restrictions, blacklisting and dossier creation under Hindu faces Prime Minister Narendra Modi and National Security Advisor Ajit Doval. These practices they have escalated into extrajudicial killings, threats against families members in India and pressure on friendly government to enforce compliance. Activists abroad they are increasingly branded as extremists, facing chilling effects on the freedom of movement and speech. UN Human Rights Commissioner Volker Turk highlighted the urgent need for zero tolerance towards such cross-border repression, underscoring the global implication for sovereignty, the rule of law and basic democratic freedoms. The conference highlighted that India's transnational repression strategy as reflected in Prime Minister Modi's chilling statement in April 2024, in which he said, "We no longer send dossiers, we go into their homes to kill them," represents a direct threat not only to diaspora communities but also to international norms of human rights protection. By uniting Sikh communities and drawing global attention, the Geneva event marks a very crucial milestone. It signals a growing demand for international monitoring, accountability and special rapporteurs to document violations, ensuring that democratic nations that confront transnational repression with firm and coordinated actions.